Hi everyone, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick review of the Tirtir Milk Skin Rice Toner. So the Tirtir Milk Skin Rice Toner remains the undisputed champion of the glass skin trend. Its primary pro is that it's dual-purpose formula. So it's thick enough to replace both a toner and lightweight moisturizer that is packed with rice bran extract, niacinamide, and ceramides to deeply hydrate and brighten those skin instantly. Users love the moisture sandwich effect. It creates leaving a non-sticky, milky glowy that looks incredible under makeup. However, the con is that its rich, emollient texture can be polarizing. For those with oily or acne-prone skin, the high concentration of rice and oils may feel too heavy or in some cases trigger closed um trigger closed comedones, which is the tiny bumps if used daily. While it is marketed as a fungal acne safe, real-world feedback in 2026 suggests that it is best suited for dry, normal, or dehydrated combination skin type. If you're chasing a dewy, luminous finish and have dry skin, this is absolutely worth the $25 investment. But if you're prone to breakouts, you might want to start with a light version of a smaller sample size first.